Those little butt cheeks feel good. Let's make a meatball sandwich that will make me go cross-eyed at the end. We're gonna start, of course, by making our meatballs. We have some quality ground beef, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. I have some minced garlic here, a couple tablespoons of that. I like a lot of garlic. Some shallots, just one little clove. I like to do little chili flakes, not too much. Some oregano, perfecto. About a cup of fresh parmesan. I'm just gonna say parmesan, okay? A little under half cup. No, half. I'm just gonna do it all. About half a cup of old breadcrumbs. I got some olive oil. I just have 1 egg yolk and 1 egg. We'll whisk that up, throw that in as well. Now the fun part, get in there. Take your hands and just squunch this all up, all these flavors. Okay, there you have it. There's your meatball. We're gonna get the cast iron fired up, get this thing on, sizzle it up. Just joking, gosh. Kind of just gotta go by feel, you know? Play around with it, have fun. Make them the size you want. If you want them small, make them small. I actually prefer them small when I'm just eating them by themselves. But, you know, YouTube is big, we want fun, we want, ow, you know what I mean? We want all the excitement. So we're gonna go a little bigger today, you know? Okay, let's feel here. Let's see if the proportions are right. That feels good. We're gonna put these aside. I would like to show you this beautiful baguette I got today. Look at this. Look at this gorgeousness. Hear that? Oh. Now, another star of the show, C-bone sauce. Obviously, we're not going to use this in any old generic jar from the store. Link in the link in the description if you want to know how to make this delicious sauce. I got this fancy little, call it just a nice little garlic roaster. Throw our garlic in there. The nice amount of olive oil. Need to put this little top on and throw this in the oven. I have it at 400 for about 20-30 minutes. When your old Cassie's smoking, it's time to start adding your beautiful meatballs. Oh, what do I always say? These aren't gonna suck. I mean, come on. Put some love. Just put some love into your food. It's not gonna suck. At least you tried. Okay, see what we got. Oh yeah, that's what you want. It's been about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes roughly. Stop me now. Should I stop cooking? Let me know in the comments. Once you are satisfied with your sear, we'll throw these in your pot. Take some of C-Bone's famous Mater sauce and just dump that in. You're basically gonna let your little puppies have a little bubble bath in that Mater sauce, okay? Once your sauce starts bubbling, you're gonna pop your lid on. We will pop this in the oven at 375 for a good 20-30 minutes. Sound delightful? Look at that. Look at that gorgeous garlic. That is done. Take that out before you burn it. Pop our bread in the oven for a few minutes with a little olive oil. Perfect. Look at, they kind of just started becoming a little bit more flexible, if you know what I mean. That's what we want. You don't want to overdo it. It's been about 20 minutes. I've been checking these periodically. You don't want burnt meatballs. Look at that. Look at that. Those have been soaking in my sauce, bathing. Okay, let's construct this beautiful sandwich. Grab some of our meat bowls. Can we fit all our meatballs on here? Ow, 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 ow. Spread some garlic on there, as much as you would like. Some basil pesto. A little salt, a little pepper. And now you guys know the drill. I need to get one of those torches. For now, we're just going to pop our little fresh mozzarella on the old flat top over here. Some of our fresh tomato sauce here. Help melt that cheese a little more as well. And now, just for fun, a little prosciutto. Oh yeah, Connor. Woo! Well, there you have it. Another delicious eye roll in the books. This is my 16th episode. I really appreciate you all following me on my journey. Like, subscribe, press that notification button. We'll see you next time.